of the way for the top management to monitor the performance of the worker is through attendance. However, this system only can detect the time in and the time out of the workers, but not during the whole working hour. So, top management don't even know whether they are doing the task or not during the working hour. For example, from 8 AM to 5 PM, where are the workers at 10 AM? Either at the cubicle doing the task, or still at the cafe chatting with his friend? Hence, a new system called real-time face recognition for human tracking system has been developed to overcome this problem. There are 3 objectives that need to be met in this project. The first one is to develop a program that is capable of doing the detection and recognition of the human faces. Second, to track the location of the human with their timestamp. And the last one is to design web-based system for human-machine interface. In this human face recognition project, the image will be captured by an Internet Protocol camera or IP camera and transmitted to Raspberry Pi through wireless connection. The Raspberry Pi later will process and send the image to the MySQL server. In this case, laptop will be used as a server. So, basically, face detection algorithm will take place in the Raspberry Pi, meanwhile face recognition will take place in the laptop. Next, the user or client can monitor the system in real time through the web server.